Here we are today, YouTube. What we have here this time is what everyone's been waiting on. And yes, we do support them. A T-Mobile iPhone 7 Plus. Of course, it is blocked. This device has 2 blocks on it: lost and stolen, and it's blocked for non-payment. As you can also check on, we're gonna go to IMEI check status. This is part 1, of course, just showing you that device is blocked. And of course, for any new iPhones and any new Androids or Galaxy devices that comes out, as long as the device has an IMEI, we can definitely get it resolved. As you can see, it's definitely blocked. This is part 1. This is a T-Mobile device. This is the T-Mobile iPhone 7 Plus. This is part 1. Tune in and subscribe.